want to go ahead and start up an email campaign where you start to send out offers to a list, and you really need a good program, I have actually two really good programs. All you have to do is click the link below this video to find out more about them, okay? Because I understand a lot of you guys want to get emails like this every single day, guys. As you can see, they come in all day long, okay? This is from like morning to night while I'm sleeping. These emails are coming in constantly, okay? While we're watching, there'll probably be some more to come in. This is the thing, guys. When you have emails coming in, when you have leads coming in, you have money coming in, okay? Because without traffic, without leads, without buyers, without clients, you will not have, you will not make any money online. It just is that way. Now, a lot of people spend hours and hours on Facebook trying to close sales and that type of thing. Now, you can also go about it that way. If that's how you want to do it, absolutely. A lead is a lead is a lead, and traffic is traffic. But my way actually is using free social media traffic, but I do it in a very unconventional way, okay? A way that not a lot of people will understand, okay? I'm a very technical type of person. I do a lot of systems and funnels, and it's complex and it's complicated. But here's the thing, guys. If you want to get started, I have some good programs that are going to pay you out big time, okay? Click the link below to find out what they are, and I won't go over them right now because I want you to be able to have time to have, get your palette ready, sit before it, take some time, study it out, learn for yourself, and that's the best way, guys. I'm telling you, that is the best way. Now, here's the thing, guys. When you get leads on your list, okay, it's not so much always how, the offer that you're promoting. The main thing is about being able to mix and match it up a little bit. That's why you see a lot of marketers that they're marketing more than one product, okay? Because it's like if you brought 100 people to a restaurant and you told all 100 people, I'm only going to feed you chicken noodle soup today. Do you think that all 100 people are going to want to eat chicken noodle soup? Absolutely not. That's during a wedding they always say, what do you want, chicken or steak, or fish? They give you like options and choices, and you'll have 30 people want fish, and 30 people want steak, and 30 people want chicken. And there's probably some people that don't want any meat. They're vegetarians and they want to eat, a salad or something or whatever. You get my point? Everyone is going to want something different, okay? Just about, if you offered 9 things or 10 other different types of food, you would probably have people that want to eat those foods as well, okay? The more choices you gave, the more options they would have, and that's kind of how marketing is online. If you market like 1 or 2 products, what ends up happening is you leave out tons of people who they that's not what they wanted, that's not what they were looking for. Now, whereas marketers, we're not here to please everyone, but we're here to give out options, to people to say, here, if you're a marketer worth your salt, you're going to try to give out options because you understand everybody's different. And so the same thing with me, I try to give out options. So there's at least two, possibly even, I think there's 3 offers below, and definitely there's a Bitcoin offer below. You want to check that out because, like I said, you can make $400 a day, guys, with Bitcoin alone. There's some people making 6 figures from their very month with Bitcoin, guys. It's all about how you size it up. It's all about mathematics, how you size it up. Now, I understand it's a lot of that involved, but I will say this too, guys. Just in internet marketing alone, in general, it's a lot of mathematics. Now, if your personality is a more like door-to-door salesman type guy, where you can really get on the phone, hammer it hard, or you can get on Facebook and literally, pump out, the calls and everything. If you're that type of guy, say you got a gift for gab, you're just able to get on the phone and talk someone into a deal, and you're like, a car salesman or something like that, then you want to go the Facebook route. You definitely want to go the Facebook route if that's the type of business you want to run. But the nice thing about this industry is you're able to do it how you like to do it, and you have it your way, as they say, right? And you can decide what type of marketer you want to be in this industry. If you want to be a person that just gets thousands of leads a day, or you want to be a person who only may get 5 or 10 leads a day, but you can close deals on Facebook or Twitter